Okay, Sierra. So let's do the second problem. So for the second problem, we have to find the zeros of the function. We're looking at f of x, 9 of x minus 2 squared, 9x plus 1, and x squared minus 16. So the first thing we have to do, we want to look at the zeros because the question is asking you to find the zeros and then to find the multiplicities. So the thing about these problems is the zeros, what you need to do is to set each equation that you see equal to 0. So that's what I did here. To find the zeros, let me see if it will flip. To find the zeros, set all of the equations to 0. So the first one we see is x minus 1. Forget about the exponents for now. So we say x minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to 1. So that's the first 0. The second one is 9x plus 1 equals 0. 9x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to negative 1 over 9. And the third one is x squared minus 16. X squared is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. So we see here that there are actually, where did I write it? 4 zeros. So the 4 zeros are 1, negative 1 over 9, 4, and negative 4. I just wrote it as plus or minus 4 to save on space. Now, with regards to multiplicities, it's very simple. If you look at the equation, the multiplicities are always the exponents. So the multiplicity of this one is 2, of this one is 1 because it's to the power of 1, and of this one it's 1 because it's to the power of 1. You don't need to write anything there. So this equation has a multiplicity of 4. So it's 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay? One thing you'll notice, the 9, I didn't touch it. And the reason why I didn't touch it is because realize I put every equation to 0. And because it did not have an x attached to it, I just didn't touch it because 9 cannot equal 0. All right, so there you are with finding the zeros and the multiplicities of equations.